Hey you chickens! It's Cathy Cat and Bear Bear! Today, with the final dress out of the 3 dresses under $100 collection with Devilinspired. Whee! Now, you might be like, I was always a bit worried, like if they're really cheap, can I actually wear them? How are they? If I wear them, are they, even though they're so cheap, are they any good? How's the quality? Similar things like that, and that's what I wanted to test in this series. Also, the dress I'm wearing right now is dress number 2 out of the 3 dresses. So this one with the headset, the collar, and the dress itself at the time when I got it was under $100. The other videos are on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those videos and also the future videos. Bam! And this is the final dress, and I must say I'm really excited about this one because this one has a lot of cool extra things with it. So I'm so excited. This dress here is called Flower of Little Ada by Magic Tea Party. So this is one of the brands that Devilinspired supports. So sometimes you can also just check dresses by brands, but this one I actually just looked at the tier of the under $100 dresses and found this one and thought this is very interesting. Now the dress that they showed on the page was actually in a different color. It was there in black, but when I clicked on it there were different colors there as options, and I always like the lighter colors because that's me. I usually wear a lot of lighter colors, especially for shoots in town. So there's the base dress, but you can also get it with accessories. Now at the point of time when I got this one, the base dress with the accessories comes still under $100, or like just like at the $100 barrier. So that's why I was really excited to get the whole set. Yes, this is a whole set. Baby, this is so exciting. Barry is asking when he can eat the Lucky Charm star over here, so let's on back, let's on back, let's on back, back. Listen to the magic crinkle. La 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 la. Magic crinkle. La 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 la. Number 1. Number 2. What? This is already amazing. Number 3. No way. This is exciting. I got a little pleated skirt as bonus. I didn't know that. Thank you so much. It's like an L size skirt as well, which is good because I usually don't fit the really tiny sizes. The L size looks like an M size to me, so perfect for me. Hey, I always wanted to have like one of those cute little pleated skirts. For winter, these were great with like big parkas. Thank you, Devilinspired. That is really neat. First of all, let's open the headpiece. This headpiece looks already absolutely spot on. No, look at that. What? It's a veil with like flowers on the veil? And it's 2 layers of veil? I did not expect that. Check out the veil. It's a proper veil. That is so cool. Also because it has like that minty color, I'm sure I can coordinate it with a couple of my other dresses. So it's a kind of meshy one. It is not hard mesh though, this is soft mesh. And then we have thick lace up here that has like a flower pattern on as well. And then a bow on each side. I think the way it's sewn on, this one looks a little bit loose, but I think it should last. So here we go. So the bows here, whoops, come with the OP. They're out of the same meshy lacy material, but they also have the flowers on. So there is this one here. It's actually a long one and it has the petal, the flower petals on the lacy mesh. And then there's this other one here. So there are detachable bows that come onto this dress. So this one here is actually a peplum. It's like a see-through peplum. You don't have to get this with the dress. You can order this separately, but I thought I want to have the whole full thing. We're going to have the whole set. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to reveal the star of tonight. Little Flower of Ada by Magic Tea Party. Wow, wow, this is gorgeous. So, Flower of Little Ada by Magic Tea Party. Guys, girls, girl guys, where do I even start with this one? There is so much to tell you about this dress. So we have the collar up here, then here you have lacy mesh, the same lacy mesh that you've seen before, and it's kind of see-through, which is kind of like sexy but in a very classy way. And then you have like the bustier top of the actual dress coming here. So what I can recommend you girls and guys, wear under this one, wear maybe like a skin colored top, so you know, you don't show things that you don't want to show. I'm always like, you know, when it's like kind of see-through material, almost like I squint at it a little bit, when this one is fine. This one's good. So on the back of it, we have the same see-through material here again, as you can see, and it has again the little flowers on. Wow. Oh man, I think I definitely have to hand wash this one. It looks very, very delicate in a way. So that's the back of this, and you can also see under the collar that you've seen earlier, there is again another layer of lace. Some of this lace, it looks a little bit like they didn't quite cut all the corners, but I think you can like do that yourself. Also, what's interesting is with the top part here, this is very sturdy material. So I think they must have like double or triple layered this one to keep it in place as well. So I'm interested how this will look worn. And look at those sleeves. Those sleeves are already like poofy doll dresses. Look at this. And then you have one layer and another layer. How's that? Layer, layer. You want one layer, you get 2 layers. Look at that. There's a little bow here on the side of the sleeve. It's not detachable though. On the back of it, you can see you can also make this tighter. So if you get it a little bit too big because you're scared it might not fit you, you can make it tighter here. Also what I like, they actually have already put the string in. Sometimes when you buy dresses from Devilinspired, they give it to you separately, but this one is already all laced up. I always get like conscious if I'm lacing it up properly if I do it myself, so I'm glad that it's already done. How else can we get into this dress? Yes, there's a zip on the side. Zip time that will help you to get into this dress even easier. And finally we come to the print. We're all the way down and it's called Flower of Little Ada, and what you can see here, there are different flower creatures. They're like there's like a queen here of roses. There are, I think, what do you call it? Schneeglöckchen is the German word for it. I don't know what the English word for this one actually is. So each flower also has a girl with it, and the logo Magic Tea Party is here as well. And then we come down lower, 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 and then we are here at the bottom of the dress. And again, I like how this feels. It is like not too light. I'm always a bit squinting if it's too light. This one here is kind of light, but still the material is sturdy enough. This one here is nice and heavy in a way. So here we have an extra part of frill, and then underneath that we have the same mesh lace with the flowers on that you have at the top and at the veil. After that we have thick flower lace, and after that we have an underskirt. Man, I'm so excited to wear this together with the peplum, pop the bows on. This is gonna be the best transformation time out of all those 3. I'm so excited. On that note, I cannot wait any longer. It's time to transform, so let's do transformation time! Diddle-diddle-din, pshoo! Diddle-diddle-din, and here we are back! Flower of Little Ada. And oh wow, this dress, just putting it on, blew me away. Oh wow, where do I even start? So putting this on, I realized a couple of things that I definitely need to tell you. So first of all, this one is really great for me because my hair is growing out right now, so I have a little bit of my roots showing and it's covering my roots beautifully. And then we have this veil coming down here. Just check it, it's 2 layers of veil with flowers on top. How floral is that? So there is actually a modesty panel here in the dress, so you don't have to worry so much about revealing things that you don't want to reveal. In case you're one of the racy ones and you kind of want to, you know, cause some scandal in your community, you could obviously like try and pull it away or put it down or something like that, but it's there. It's gonna protect your modesty here. So the bow on top, there's a bow below here as well, and the sleeves. Look at the sleeves. Like the biggest, poofiest princess sleeves. I love it. I could like make a little headdress for Bear out of this, just like with the sleeves. They're so gorgeous. I must confess this was the first time when I got a Devilinspired dress in M. I usually get them in M. Apart from the very first one I got in this series, I got that in L. The first time I got an M and I was like, you know what? I wish there was a waist high on it because I want it a little bit tighter. But that's when the extra peplum came into play, because then this is the peplum and that makes the dress a little bit tighter, fit a little bit nicer. And I think the way it opens up here, it reminds me of flowers. It reminds me of flower petals, so I think this goes with the whole theme. Because I was wondering, like, how much do we need the peplum to complete the outfit? You can obviously wear it without the peplum and we'll show more of the girls and the flower girls all around. But if you feel like you want to be one of those flower girls, flip, get the extra peplum, and I kind of, it makes me feel like this is like a little leaf that's coming, like gently embracing me. Floof, floof, and now I'm gonna fly away with my fluffy armbands by. Yeah, those are the things I really wanted to mention. There is an underskirt. It is not too light. It has a nice heavy feel to it as well. I feel like a floral princess. I cannot wait to take pictures with this on town. I'm so excited. So yeah, I can't believe that all of these items together are around $100. How is that even? Wow, I am very, very positively surprised. So those were 3 dresses under $100 from Devilinspired. This one is a full coordinate under $100 from Devilinspired. I'm still absolutely like surprised. All those dress links are in the link box down below. Be sure to check it out and maybe correct me if my math was slightly wrong and I'm coming slightly over $100, and feel free to correct me in the comment box down below. Thank you so much, Devilinspired. There's also a code Cathy. Be sure to use that so you get a little bit money off. If you missed the other videos, the link is in the box down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new for lots and lots of new kawaii cute stuff here from Japan coming out to you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, because likes are important. And don't forget, until next time, life should be sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!